The CSS line height property is used to set the amount of space above and below inline elements, such as text. It can take on several values, including a number value, like 1.5 or 2, and this represents a multiple of the current font size. So for example, if the font size is 16 pixel and the line height is 1.6, the line height will be, let's say, approximately 26. That is 1.6 times 16. Or let's say it is set to 3. The line height will be 48 because that is the result of 16 times 3. You can have a length value like 24 pixel or 1 em. This will set the line height to that specific value. We can have a percentage value like 150%. So that will set the line height to a percentage of the current font size. For example, if the font size is 16 pixels and the line height is 150%, the line height will be 24 pixels because that is 150% of 16. Now, we also have the keyword normal. Now, this will set the line height to a reasonable value based on the font size. So for each font size, you have a line height that will make it generally readable.